What is up, guys? Mr. Rasmussen here, otherwise known as the Woodbender, because I am the master of all the shop elements. And today I am continuing my pen making series by making pen number 10 out of 27. The 27 pens are all rare or exotic wood species, and so far the collection is coming along just absolutely beautifully. And I am super excited to add today's pen to the collection because today's pen comes from Brazil and is called Kingwood. Just like my other episodes, I will be ranking and reviewing this wood based off of 3 categories while also giving it an R score. R is for Rasmussen, and that score just means where I rank it as my favorite among my other pens. The 3 categories are price, workability, and aesthetics. So starting out with price, Kingwood is very expensive. I give it a 3 out of 10 because a board foot of Kingwood will run anywhere from $50 to $100. And by the end of the 17th century, it was the most expensive wood used in European furniture. Kingwood gets its name because it was a personal favorite of the French kings Louis XIV and XV. Now for workability. Kingwood was easy to turn on the lathe, but because of its dense nature, drilling the holes through this wood was quite difficult and took some time. For workability, I give Kingwood a 6 out of 10. Moving on to aesthetics, this is a really cool looking pen. Before turning and applying the finish, there was a red, purplish look to it, and I was really hoping that would stick around, but in some lighting, the pen looks more light brown now more than anything. Regardless, the grain pattern of this particular piece is quite beautiful and interesting. For aesthetics, I give Kingwood an 8 out of 10. And now for the R score. There are now 10 pens in my collection, and after completing this pen, I will be ranking Kingwood as my number 6 favorite. With that, this episode is complete, so thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. Here's all the pen blanks I still need to turn, so like and follow along and let me know which one you think I should do next.